It's one of the biggest problems of the 21st century. It represents the seventh continent from the Pacific coast. Its size is 10 times bigger than France. As you understood, we will speak about trash.
An ecological problem, as Hubert perfectly described it, but an economical problem too. In France, waste sorting errors are costing more than 50 million euros to the French state per year.
From these two issues, we created Ficha, the new waste sorting solution, which aims to reinvent waste management by rewarding the sorting act. So how do? We created the Cocoon. The Cocoon is a connected container which is implemented in dwellings habitation and adapting to the pre-existing recycle bin. So the user identifies himself thanks to our digital keypad and pour his recycled trash in our Cocoon.
Using AI, we are quantifying the quality of trash he poured in the Cocoon, and we are giving him a feedback on the quality of its waste sorting directly on an app. We are rewarding him accordingly to the quality of its waste sorting.
So to gamify the experience of the app, we send green household gases for each of our users. And second of all, we can scan any of waste and to know in which bin we have to throw it, and depending on the city you live in.
Our first objective, and that's why we're doing that, is to educate citizens in sorting their waste, but more globally on the ecological code. Then, by gaining data thanks to the Cocoon, we are providing data to the city to help them understand the source of the issue. And finally, by encouraging waste sorting, we will allow city to increase their recycling revenue. And that's the part of our business model, how we're doing money, is by optimizing recycling revenue and subvention due to recycling. We are just taking a commission on the savings for the city.
Today, with the Crous Logement, which is students' habitations, we tested our solution and we reached a quality of selective sorting of 96%. So a huge improvement, because before our system the quality of selective sorting was just 36%. So a big improvement. Grenoble Alps Metropole financed us with 15,000 euros to prototype our Cocoon. And finally, Link City, which create smart buildings, has already ordered 3 of our Cocoon.
We've been collaborating with French laboratory on the AI, the INRIA, and with Captronic, which has made for us a feasibility study, which gave a lot of recommendations on the Cocoon, and Biocop accepted to give us the first reward. It's a French organic shop.
Mm-hmm. So they believe in our dream team. So Vincent and I are the 2 founders. Ritourage is our CTO. He's in PhD in electronic, and thanks to him, we could develop the hardware of the Cocoon.
Mahavir has been collaborating with INRIA to develop the first model of AI. We've been reaching a performance efficiency of 70% on this first model, which is pretty encouraging. And Julien has developed the first version of the app and all the backend. He is a full stack developer. And finally, Clémence is responsible for the communication of Ficha, which is our big strength. We want to encourage waste sorting and not punishing people. If you have something to remind from this pitch is that with Ficha, it's not issue.